Hi class, so today we are going to be reading How We Measure. So before we read and begin this activity, I want you guys to think about how do you measure? So what are some ways that you've measured before, or what are some items that you measure, or just how do you measure in your everyday life? So I'll give you a few minutes to think about that. Then before we read, the next activity that I'm going to have you guys be doing is a concept sort. So I have it written out here. So before reading, we're going to be doing this concept sort. So I have a list of words written out, and I want you guys to cut out these words and pair them together or group them together in ways that you think that they should be grouped together, or how you think that these words correlate or correspond to each other. So I will give you guys a minute to do that. And I want you to, there's no right or wrong answer. This is just what we're going to do before reading, so I can get a grasp on what you guys know and get a sense of why you're grouping them the way that you are. Now, we are about to begin reading, so whenever we read, I want you guys to raise your hand and give me examples, similarities and differences between the English and the metric system. So that is something that we are going to be learning about while we are reading. So I want you guys to think of ideas and just raise your hands so we can jot them down while we're reading. And then at the end of the lesson, I am going to be having you guys fill out an exit slip. And on the exit slip, I'm going to be asking you, what are ways in our everyday life that you guys measure? So it went over examples in the book, so I just want you guys to write out, just discuss one or two ways that you guys measure in your everyday life or in the real world. And then the objective of this lesson and the summary of this lesson is to that you guys will be able to connect to prior knowledge and identify new text information. You guys will be able to compare the measurement systems between the United States and Canada, and the students will be able to further explain ways/how that we measure. Thank you.